Conversation 21. Getting a visa.
Does it take long to get a visa?
It depends on the season. Anywhere from 1 month to 2 months.
What do I need to do?
Fill out an application form and wait.
Will there be a long waiting period?
Not if you don't run into any government delays. Conversation 21. Employing a new member. Well, this woman may be suitable for the job. But is she energetic enough?
Yes, she certainly seems to have lots of energy.
Millimeter, she's got to be ambitious too. Is she?
Yes, she has plenty of ambition.
And we really need a flexible sort of person. Do you think she is?
Millimeters, she seems to be determined enough, but she's a little tough.
Well, I guess we will give her a try, and see how she works out. Conversation 23. A date.
What are you so happy about? You're grinning from ear to ear.
Sandy and I are going to go out this weekend.
Oh, yeah, that's fast work. That's great. Which night are you going to see her, Friday or Saturday?
On Friday. She isn't going to be in town on Saturday and Sunday. She's going to visit a friend in Quebec.
What are you going to do on Friday?
I don't know yet. Do you have any ideas?
How about taking her out to a Chinese restaurant? I've heard that she likes Chinese food.
That's a great idea.
What are you going to wear on your date?
I am going to wear my new suit.
That's too formal. Wear your jeans and a t-shirt.
How about your sports jacket? Are you going to wear it Friday night?
No, I am not. Go ahead and wear it.
Conversation 24. What did you do yesterday?
Hi, how are you? You look tired. Did you sleep okay last night?
No, I didn't.
Why? What did you do yesterday?
I went to a nightclub last night and danced all night.
Oh, yeah. Did you have a good time?
I had a wonderful time, but I'm beat today.
What time did you leave the nightclub?
I left at about 3 a.m.
I'm not surprised that you're tired. Which nightclub did you go to?
Fantastic. It's on Ontario Street. It's really nice. Conversation 25. Traveling by air.
Do I check in here for Air Canada to Mexico?
Do you already have your ticket?
Yes. Here you are.
Thank you. Can you put your luggage up here, please?
Sure, I have 3 suitcases.
We allow only 2 pieces. You'll have to pay an extra charge.
Oh. Can I carry this one with me?
No, I'm sorry. It won't fit under your seat. That's $45.
Here you are.
Thank you. You can choose your seat. A window seat or aisle seat?
I'd like a window seat, please.
Fine. Seat 15A. Here's your ticket and your boarding pass. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.